So today students we are going to learn middle term splitting or splitting the middle term. It is a part of the chapter factorization. So what is the basic form of middle term splitting? There are three terms. One is ax square, one is bx and third one is c. So to factorize it, first of all we need to learn that this is a last resort. There are many other methods like identities and common factor, but this is the final method if they don't work. So we have to split them in such a way that a multiplied by c, like x squared coefficient and this final term, we have to multiply them so we get the desired way. And what is the desired way? Look at this question. We have to split it in such a way that, for example, we take minus 23. Minus 23 can be written as minus 16 minus 7. But if we multiply them, minus get cancelled and we are going to receive 112. Now after receiving 112, because we have to split a and c, because we multiply 14 by 8, 14 by 14 multiplied by 8 is also equal to 112. So to solve this question, we have to split in such a way. There can be more than one way to split this, but there is only one way to split it. So now we can also write this as 14x squared minus 16x minus 7x plus 8. Now we can switch them around a little like this. 14x squared minus 7x minus 16x plus 8. Now in the next step, we have to do nothing but take the common factor. What is common in 14x squared and minus 7x? The common factor is 7x. So we can write this as 7x out of the bracket. What will be left? The thing left will be 2x, because 2x multiplied by 7x is 14x squared, minus there will be 1, because 1 multiplied by 7x is equal to 7x. So just like that. There is no space, so I am going to write the other term here. Multiplied will be the sign in between. No, sorry, multiplied will not be there. So we can take 8 common. Now we take minus 8 common. So here we can write it as 2x minus 1. See, we have interchanged the sign because we are taking minus common, and minus is plus, just like we can see here. Now you can see 2x is also multiplied with 7x and 2x minus 1 is also multiplied by minus 8. So we can take 2x minus 1 as common, like this. Now between them the sign is multiplied. So we have successfully factorized this. This was the first method, common factor method. We split the middle term and use the common factor method. Another method is using identity. We need to learn this identity. X plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x squared in the bracket a plus b multiplied by x minus ab. So for this we have this question. Now see, the power is 4. So we can write this as x squared square, because we are trying to fit this into this identity. So x square is x, because we remember the law, the power of another power, the powers get multiplied, and 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Now x square is just like that. In the bracket we have to bring a plus b. So we can write this as, let a square be a. So we can write this as a square plus bracket minus 1 by a square. So we get a plus b, let b be minus 1 upon a square. Now in the question we have this x here, so x squared is x, so we can, sorry I made a mistake in this question, the power has to be 2 here, so we multiply it by it by x squared. Now minus 1 is there, does it fit minus ab? Yes it does, because a squared multiplied by minus 1 by a square. The denominators are same, so they can cancel, minus 1 is left. So this is fitting in, so we can write this as minus 1. Now in the next step we use the identity x plus a. What is a square? X squared is x for this question, x squared plus a squared. Now in the second bracket we have to x plus b, x plus a, x plus b, so we can write this x square plus in the bracket minus 1 by a square. So this is our final answer. I hope you have learned something new. Thank you for your help and watching my channel. I want to help you guys out of the exams. See you. Thank you.